Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to build this application YouTube video timestamp generator. So whenever you are watching any sort of YouTube video, so if you want to specifically jump on a particular section, you don't need to you don't have the time to watch the entire video, then this application comes into the picture. You input the URL and the minutes and the second. Let me show you an example. uh, Let me open my any video right here. Let me just type the channel name. Let me take this video for example. So I built this tool in my website here, freemediatools.com. This is my own website which contains thousands of tools. So you input actually the time period at which you need to. So I need to go to this time period, 2 minute 3 second. So it will actually construct this timestamp. So when someone clicks on this, they will redirect to that specific portion in the video. So this actually saves a lot of time because they don't want to watch the entire video. So this timestamp link will automatically redirect the user to that particular location. So in this way, I will show you a Python script which will actually do this process. So for this, I have given this script in the description of this video. So now I will show you how to do this. So first of all, you just create a simple app.py file, and then for this you need to URL lib library, which is a built-in library inside Python. And from this you need to import URL parse QS, URL encode as well, URL encode, and also URL unparse. All these packages we need to import, and after that we will define a function which will generate the YouTube timeline URL, timestamp URL. So here we will specify which YouTube video you are talking about. So simply let me take this example. I copy this URL and paste it, and then here you need to submit the time input at what particular location. So I will say, so here this will be the time period of the video, 1 minute 23 second, and using this time we will construct the timestamp URL. For this we will construct this function which is generate timestamp URL. Here we simply pass the video URL and the actual time input as two arguments. So now we just need to define this function which is generate, and now inside this function we actually first of all check in this if condition that if the timestamp that is passed. So here we specifically check here, this is your time input, let me call this as timestamp. So now the very first thing we are doing, we are checking that if the time period that is passed is actually a string or not, and then we extract the time period by using this simple logic. So we actually extract everything like this, the actual time period that you pass. So like this we have, so we are actually extracting this 1 minute 23 second, we are converting this to second, which comes out to be 83 second. So this is actually the logic here. After that we get the parsed time here. Now we use the URL parse and parse the video URL, and then use this to actually parse the query, and then we use query T. This is a little bit complicated, but you just need to write whatever I'm writing, and then we construct the timestamp video URL based upon the time period. Use this, so we get this timestamp URL. So we just need to return this from this function. So we'll simply say return new URL. That's all. If you run this Python script now, let me run this. So you just need to print this out. So I simply say print original URL and then the timestamp URL. So go to the terminal and just execute this. You will see this is your original URL and this is your timestamped URL. So it has converted to seconds here, which is 83. So we specified this 1 minute 23 seconds. So it actually converted them into a timestamp URL. So you can copy this URL and simply paste it inside the browser. So now what happens, it redirects you to the 83-second directly in the video. So this actually saves a lot of time. You don't need to watch the entire video. You can create these timestamps inside your video descriptions to allow user to quickly navigate to the directly to that timestamp. So this was the script. The full script is given in the description of this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, and please hit that like button and also comment on this video as well.